Let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Unsure if the quality will be able to come up, but yeah. So been having an issue. I'm not 100% sure if the issue that I was having was the what do you call it? The throttle body and the throttle cable. I had the P0340 code or whatever. So that's a cam sensor, bank A cam sensor, intake cam. So how about this? It's the Duralast one. I was told that Duralast is the exact same manufacturer as the OEM Siemens one or whatever, and the OEM ones, blah blah blah. It's just the branding. So we are going to test this one. It's raining, so I'm not going to do it today, probably tomorrow. But yeah, gonna segue into something that I noticed. So give me a second. Hopefully I did it right. But I changed the camshaft position sensor on the intake side. Didn't record it because it's boring and it was really annoying. So it literally would have been just a whole bunch of cussing. So yeah, because it was just really bad. But let's see, hopefully this thing starts. The battery is dead, but yeah, give me a second. It's alright, it's still dead, so give me a second. That battery just didn't have enough juice, so let's try this again and let's see if I could get this thing to mount decently. Alright. Alright, I should have just brought the gimbal down, but well, not sure why it won't start. May have done something wrong, but I guess I'll just have to see. Alright, so the car started. I gotta get it to warm up. Idle control valve needs to get cleaned, so I have to keep the rev up, but yeah. Started. So that means I did it right, I believe. So there we go, it's at idle, and yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go for a little test drive and see. Hopefully it's a little better. So I'm still having a little bit of like a sputtering issue, so that may also be the alright, so that's probably the throttle body, yeah, or that's the what do you call it, the cat or O2 sensor, whichever. Yeah, so it's not fixed yet, but I thought that would have been it. But I do not have the camshaft sensor code anymore, so I'm not too sure. But I mean, I guess I'll just have to have Lauren take a look at it. But yeah, no, that's definitely not fixed. I'm probably gonna have to lift the car up, take the O2 sensor out, and see if the car drives better that way. And if not, then I'm also gonna have to adjust the throttle body again and clean out and do the PCV, as well as the ICV and a couple other things before we bring it to the shop. If not, probably just gonna have to tow it to the shop, because I do have AAA, and I'm pretty sure the shop is within range for the free tow. If not, it'll be cheap, so regardless, we'll get it there. But yeah, it'll happen, and then the car will be sorted out. But yeah, it's a little annoying. Thought the car would have been fixed and drivable, but back to the drawing board. Guess I'll let you guys know if I figure something out. So I hear oil bubbling up down there and smoke, so maybe my valve cover gasket is bad or something. Very bad. I'll probably have to do that when we're doing the what do you call it, when they're doing the, what do you call it, the, what do you call those things, when they're doing the head gasket and everything. But yeah, not good. Not good at all. Not sure if you're able to hear or see the smoke, but let's see. Yeah, you can kind of see it. Unsure if the quality will be able to come up, but yeah, so this one right here that says 3, I can hear bubbling and there's smoke coming up. Not sure if that's like the valve cover gasket or what, but yeah, that does not sound good at all. Alright, so basically this is just like a little voiceover outro type thing, because it's kind of dark. But yeah, just a little update on what's been going on. Whew, sorry. Been waiting for the shop. So as soon as that's done, we're gonna look at the valve cover and all that, see if we need to get a new one, or see whatever happened to, you know, what's causing the smoke. And all that's gonna be on video. Sorry for the delay, you know, things happen. The weather's been terrible, so it's kind of hard to get work done on the shop because it's just been rain basically every day, and it's super cold. So, you know, trying to work outside is really hard to do, especially when, you know, as you guys saw when we were driving up and whatnot, the shop, like outside of the garage or the shop, it's like grass and dirt. So, you know, rain equals mud. So, you know, it's really hard to, you know, lay like water lines and different things like that and power lines when, you know, you're working in rain. So that's really hard to do. So think just the weather causing delays and stuff like that. But hopefully we'll be able to get in this weekend and start the work. And I got the tune back. I'm not sure if I was able to let you guys know that. So basically all the parts and the tune is ready, besides the valve cover gasket, which I can just order on Amazon Prime and have it overnighted, which I might just do right now just in case. If I don't need it, I'll return it. But yeah, if that's the case, I'll just do that, and we'll have everything set within the next few days if we can get it in the shop. But yeah, literally we should be all set hopefully soon, and you guys will be able to see the E36 hitting the streets really soon. because, you know, I want my car back as well. But yeah, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.